Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Certified pre-owned and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, blind spot monitor. With these ratings,
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned, once an Acura, always an Acura.